How do you like your new chair? Do you like it? It's pretty cute. It's just for you. Don't fall out. That was good. See if you can get back in there. Can you get back in there? Can you? Let's see. Oh, someone got in. Not sure if we can get back in though. Yep. Try to get back in. Yeah. Can you get back in? Here, Mom will help you. Okay. Mom's gonna help you get back in. Ready? Oh, maybe not.